What's up, everybody? So this is almost like a part 2 of the last video, Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas. But this is going to primarily be for like chord substitutions, you know, the simple way. It's the simple version of chord substitutions. There are times when you will choose a chord, say for instance, you play a major chord, and instead of the major chord, you just substitute it for that. Some would not call it a true substitution, but hey, this is what we're talking about right now. There are some situations where you would take that dominant 7 and like this. That's like the flat 7 of the actual key. So, you know, they would substitute it in that way, like you see what I'm saying? So they're using a flat 7 to substitute the 1. That happens sometimes. So, and that is like a choice. And maybe I'll throw that in there. But these are just more simple chord substitutions. So here are the chords like you all remember. 1, 6, 2, 5. That stays true, you know, unless you want to go major 7th. But I think for this song, it's good for the 1 to actually be a straight major chord, and then throughout the song you kind of switch it to a major 7th. Okay, so maybe the second time around. Dominant 7th. Okay, now major 7th. See that? Bum 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 bum. Da, da. All right. So what I did right there was a 1. Da, da, da. Bum, da, da. Da, da, da. Da. So I walked up from the 2 to the 3, and I used the diminished 7th chord to go to a C diminished 7th. Keep it dominant 7th. Or you play it here. So I think going from a dominant 7th like that to a major 7th chord, I think it's pretty cool. Have yourself a merry little I think I did a dominant 7th on that last one too. Go to the 6, walk down. Now on this one, we're literally doing like a 13 chord. So the note, I think is it out of sight? We'll be out of sight. Whatever. To the 4. Here we are. Da, 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 da. To the 3. You can walk down. Da, 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 da. last time I said over the 7, I said play a E major over A flat. But you can actually play A flat, minus 7 flat, minus 7 flat 5. Faithful friends, ooh, I get it up. You can do that. So, or over the 3, you can play the dominant 7th. Or you can go minus 7 flat 5, and I played the dominant 7 last time over the 3, or you can do a flat 9 right here. Yeah. So you can do that. So that's like a pass right there. You see that? Okay. And that part there's like a little bit of an interesting journey right there. Okay. So right there where you play the 6, okay, which is the F sharp minor, and then switch it to a dominant 7. Gather near to us. And switch that minor to a dominant 7. So so it goes back. Faithful once more. So that's like a way that you can do it. So instead of going straight to the 1, you go to a semitone higher. You know what I'm saying? You can do that. Through the years we'll always be together. Actually, that time, you could do that 5-11 or the E11, and then go back to the 4. Not sure if you saw what I did right there. So then back to the 7. That's actually a C sharp augmented. I'm just playing around. I'm playing around with it. So, you know, that's sort of the gist of how you can treat it. You know, just switch the chords up. Instead of playing a major, a straight major, I do think that the initial chord should be a major chord. And like the very first one. After that, utilize either dominant 7th or major 7th chords. But over that 1, I think that should be a major 7th chord. And over the 5, that could be either a dominant 7th chord or an 11th chord. Over the 5 walking down from the 6, that can actually be a minor 7th chord. So so it's not like it's not doing that. Is So yeah, but there are all sorts of possibilities. There's 7-3, dominant seventh. That's the F sharp minor seventh, then a dominant seventh, B minor seventh to a B dominant seventh. So it's some little sauce, man. You know, it's just switching it up from whatever it was before, and that's for whoever this helps. Okay, you know. So yeah, that's what it is. Or oh yeah. Or rather, yeah. So, all right, y'all. Appreciate you.